Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens and back cover on the Redmi K40 Gaming, also known as Poco F3 GT mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, on the phone body, apply a heat to soften the glue on the camera lens frame, and then gently using a pry tool or tweezer, take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, take the replacement camera lens with the frame and place it on the body by adding adhesive. For the repair, there can be two different replacement parts, camera lens with the frame or camera lens but without the frame. But we suggest you to take the camera lens with the frame. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie the back cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.